Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're going to talk about in and out boxes. This is a precursor to functions. And we're just basically taking a look at seeing what goes in and what comes out. So here you've got this is number one here. And number one, and the whole worksheet kind of looks like this, but the way it's supposed to look like is this. It should just be a table where you have the numbers going in 6, 8, 14, and 17. And then we want to figure out what comes out based on this rule, subtract 3. Okay? So this is really, really simple. We're going to take the number going in, apply the rule, subtract 3, and see what we get to come out. So I've got these numbers. I wrote them over here to the side, the same numbers, 6, 8, 14, and 17. And then I'm going to subtract 3, the same thing on every single number. Okay, so that's the rule, subtract 3. So next we're going to actually do that. So you may know that 6 minus 3 is 3, but if you have trouble with that, you just pull up the calculator. So you got 6 minus 3, you get 3, type in 3 right here in the box. Okay, so we move on to the next one. You do 8 minus 3 and type that in the calculator. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then you just put that right next to 8. So went in was 8. What came out is 5. What went in was 6. What came out was 3. Okay? And you just continue that for the rest of the table. And you get your table filled out just like that. Okay, so now we'll take a look at another example. And this is a vertical table. Now we're going to take a look at a horizontal table. And you still had the same issues with the lines not being filled in. So you could just draw in the lines like that. And you have your horizontal table. Okay. And it's the same thing we did before. So we're going to take the numbers that we got going in 1, 2, 3, and 15. 1, 2, 3, and 15. And we're going to apply the rule, which is add 2. I'm going to apply that same rule to every number. Okay. And then we'll do 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. We write 3 for the out. 1 went in, 3 came out. And then when we put 2 in, what comes out? When we put 2 in, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 comes out. So you just keep on going, and then you complete the table. And that's it. That is the in and out box. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.